Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Marvel Rivals high ping so you can enjoy a smoother and more responsive online experience without constant delays. First, check your internet connection and switch to a stable network, preferably a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for lower latency. Next, restart your router to refresh your connection and reduce network congestion. After that, close all background apps that use the internet, like downloads, streaming, or updates, because they can increase your ping significantly. You should also select the closest server region in the game settings to reduce distance-related latency. If you're using a VPN, disable it, since it often increases ping. Another helpful step is to update your network drivers to ensure optimal performance. You can also try resetting your network settings to fix hidden issues. Finally, restart your PC and launch the game again, and your ping should be much more stable. Subscribe the channel for more videos.